And so now, with that, it's time for our third speaker. It is Peter Chisnell. Peter is from the neuroscience program. His advisor is Kaveh Ashrafi, and his talk is titled, Curing What Ails Us All. Peter.
So I study a terrible and debilitating condition. It drains our strength and our mental acuity. And not only that, but it can actually cause heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. To top that all off, this isn't caused by some rare genetic mutation, and it isn't caused by a specific lifestyle. Every single person has it. So what is this terrible thing I'm talking about? Usually we call it aging. Now, aging is commonly thought of as some sort of unstoppable wear and tear on our bodies, but that isn't true. Aging is a complex process controlled by our biology. Each and every one of us has a unique genetic makeup that can dramatically alter how quickly we age. In order to better understand and fight this condition, I've focused my research on a single protein that's at the heart of the aging process. It's called heat shock factor, and it's a captain of our body's maintenance team. It commands a bunch of little minion proteins that it sends out in cells in our bodies, and they bring little protein wrenches, a protein toolkit, and they use it to fix up cells that aren't functioning properly. If you give an animal just a little bit extra heat shock factor, that boost in maintenance will cause it to live a longer, healthier life. Which makes sense, right? The better maintained your cells are, the longer they'll be able to keep your body working properly. So what we need now is we need a way to boost our own personal heat shock factor so that all of us can live longer, healthier lives. But how do we do that exactly? That is where my research comes in. What am I researching? What I basically did is I reached into the genome and I made thousands of mutations, searching for a single mutation that would make heat shock factor work better. And I discovered something remarkable. I discovered that a member of another team, not the maintenance team, but the production team in our cell that makes proteins, it's called TOR, and it's actually hurting our maintenance team by whispering sinister things to heat shock factor. It's telling it like, oh no, humans love their achy joints. No one needs to remember where they left their keys yesterday. It's fine, leave your door unlocked. But here's the key. Now that I've discovered that this toxic relationship exists, we can take action to disrupt it. By cutting TOR's communication with heat shock factor, we can unleash its full maintenance capabilities. And this will not only allow us to fight heart disease and Alzheimer's, but it will allow everyone to live longer lives with stronger bodies and sharper minds. Thank you.